Why are modern phone vibrations so much more sophisticated? Imagine your phone giving you a gentle tap or a subtle buzz that feels almost real. That's what modern vibration technology can do now. You might not notice it at first, but the way your phone vibrates has changed a lot over the years. It's not just a simple buzz anymore. In the early days, phones used basic vibration motors that made a quick, rough buzzing sound. These motors were big and simple, usually electromagnetic types that shook the phone with a magnetic coil. They were reliable but limited in how they felt. Today's phones use more advanced motors called piezoelectric motors. These tiny devices change shape when electricity flows through them, creating very precise vibrations. They are smaller, use less energy, and can produce a wider range of sensations. The other big change is how software controls these motors. Modern phones have smart algorithms that adjust vibration strength, pattern, and timing in real time. This means your phone can give you different feedback depending on what you're doing. For example, a quick tap for a notification, a longer buzz for an incoming call, or even a gentle pulse when scrolling. This software integration makes the vibrations feel more natural and tailored to your experience. Manufacturers also focus on making these vibration motors fit into thinner phones. They develop smaller, lighter motors that still pack a punch. This miniaturization allows for sleek designs without sacrificing the quality of the tactile feedback. When you get a notification or press a virtual button, the vibration feels more realistic and satisfying. From a repair perspective, knowing what kind of motor your phone has is important. Electromagnetic motors are easier to replace because they are common and simple. Piezoelectric motors are more complex and need careful handling during component replacement. If you're replacing a vibration motor, understanding the motor type helps you choose the right part and avoid damage. These advanced vibrations are used in many ways. They can alert you silently in noisy places or help visually impaired users feel notifications. They also improve gaming and virtual reality by making interactions more immersive. When you press a virtual button or scroll through menus, the vibration can mimic the feel of real buttons. In short, modern phone vibrations are more sophisticated because of better hardware like piezoelectric and linear resonant actuators, combined with smart software control. These improvements let your phone give you richer, more precise, and more personalized tactile feedback. That's why your phone can now deliver a more natural and engaging experience every time it buzzes or vibrates.